Jason
got stuff over there.
Look at all this. That's where we walk.
Everybody's home today.
Jason can't work. Fort Rich is closed.
I'd feel better if you could.
The whole place is closed.
Yeah, I know that. If you could hold this instead of me driving and holding it. It's already on. Just
Turn that way.
Well, just give me a second. I want to get some of this. Oh, shit, the tree. In forward. Slightly forward. In toward the front end of the car. There you go.
My tree's like that.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, turn this way.
Yeah. And get some of that. Aim toward it. Not inside the car, outside the car. There you go. The trick is outside the car. Because I let you drive.
Yeah.
All right. Hit the button. Yeah.
Okay. Me?
It's on.
Yeah.
Okay. Aim down slightly. Aim down. There we go. You're aiming towards the tree. You're looking at the bit. Okay, where else am I going?
Okay, keep going.
Going straight?
I'm going to turn it off right now.
Yeah, go for it. Thank you. Wow. See, now that's kind of like at your neighbor's house. It's on the corner there.
We're still going. Oh, well. That's what happens when you have a tree in your yard. What are you going to do about
Well,
it?
that's true.
I know, but...
And I don't really like doing this while I'm driving. Because I have somebody behind me.
No, we'll go around the ridge all the morning long.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. That's the trail we walk on. Walk with walking, right?
Yeah. Okay. Hold it like that.
See, the wind's picking up again.
Okay. I'm gonna aim. There you go.
These winds were stronger than Hurricane Isaac. You've got Jason built us a good solid fence.
Okay. Anyway, just keep it on for a second. Oh, here's another fence up here. See the fence in front of you?
I'm going to turn this off, okay?
No, don't.
No.
Don't. Because we're coming up to another fence.
Okay.
Here it is right here.
Oh my gosh, yes. Those people just moved in that house.
Okay, and if you look to your left, well, we'll turn around here. You want to stop that now?